Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making venison tenderloin with wild mushroom ragout. This recipe takes 30 minutes to prep and 25 minutes to cook. Serves 4 and is medium difficulty. Ingredients: 2 8 to 10 ounces each, venison tenderloins, 1 pound mixed wild mushrooms, shallots, 4 cloves garlic, half cup white wine, half cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons fresh herbs, thyme, 3 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons olive oil, and salt and white pepper to taste. Step 1. Mushroom preparation. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in large sauté pan over medium-high heat. Cook mushrooms in single layer without moving for 3 to 4 minutes until golden. Season and set aside. Step 2. Aromatics. In same pan, sauté shallots and garlic until fragrant, about 2 minutes. Step 3. Deglazing. Add wine and reduce by half, about 8 to 10 minutes. Add cream and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until thickened. Step 4. Tenderloin cooking. Season tenderloins with salt and pepper. Heat remaining oil in separate pan over medium-high heat. Sear tenderloins 2 to 3 minutes per side for medium rare. 145 degrees Fahrenheit internal with 3-minute rest. Step 5. Resting. Remove tenderloins and rest 5 minutes under foil tent. Step 6. Finishing. Return mushrooms to cream sauce, add fresh herbs and butter, season to taste. And that's how you make venison tenderloin with wild mushroom ragout. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.